thought you were the girl that I could love. Yeah, I thought you was an angel, like you came from up above. But I guess that I was wrong, I wasn't even close, and you were just too cool for me. Word to Mike Posner. And we were getting closer, attraction, lights, camera, action. I loved the direction, but when I was with you, well, I should've got protection. Cause now it's hard to bounce back, there is no deflection. Remember when I caught you hoeing, and now it's getting cold, you would think that it was snowing. Remember when you would call me baby, no stroller, and how you went and played me like I came with a controller. Remember when I said, how could you do this to me? How could you be heartless? How could all these sunny days just turn into the darkness? She said, I'm sorry, but you just need to see more. You need to take a new path, you need to take a detour.
Why am I the only one traveling this way? Why am I the only one traveling this way?
Thought this was it, I thought that this my time. I'm the leader of the new school, yeah, I bust a rhyme. But I guess that I was wrong, guess that I was so mistaken. I ain't even mad that these people keep hating. I ain't tryna analyze, but it's just hard to make contacts. They sanitize, but I just want the truth, I guess analyze, because they go together like burgers and the fries. But hip-hop, could you please just explain, while it really seems you don't want me in the game, how you always let me taste, but you never let me eat. It's like a girl who let you kiss, but never let you beat. How could you do this to me? How could you be heartless? How could all these sunny days just turn into the darkness? I guess that I just need to see more. I need to take a new path, I need to take a deep